avocado here. So in picking an avocado, there are several factors for determining, color being one of the most prominent. Green avocados, brown avocados. This is a Hass avocado. It's much smaller. They're much larger varieties. For this one, thumb indentation. You can feel the flesh is nice and soft and ripe. Do not be discouraged. If we cut into this avocado, it can be green. It's perfect. If it's brown, still perfect. Brown just indicates that the sugar or oxidation has begun to occur in the avocado. So those parts, while they might not look like the entire avocado, are just more concentration of sugar. So that can be used in a bevy of sauces or avocado ice cream. You can just mash the avocado, put it in the freezer for a few. So let's cut this open and see what we have. So I want to start at the top and just go around the avocado. There's a big seed directly in the middle. So I'm literally just rotating the avocado, not moving my knife. Just want to give it a twist. Not that bad. It's a beautiful avocado. There are some tricks to, if you're doing multiple avocados, you can leave the pit in the middle and just cover it back up, and that keeps it from oxidation. Another is you can use a citrus, some lime juice, and squeeze it over top of it. But to remove the pit from the avocado, you just want to use the heel of your knife. Just give it a nice whack and a twist, and it'll come right out. So then, for making, let's say, guacamole, give the avocado several slices lengthwise. Then you can turn the avocado that way. Then you have nice diced avocado. You can also peel the avocado. You can scoop it out and just have different scoops of avocado.